I go by the name of John from johnmcneil.com, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to make $60 per hour online, guys. That's right, I'm going to show you 3 different websites in which you can make $60 per hour. Now, it will require a little bit of work on your part, but it's easy work and it's easy money. But before we jump into this video, guys, my name is John from johnmcneil.com, and if this is the first time you come to my channel, you want to learn all about affiliate marketing and making money from home, please consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon at the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click on that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video, how to make $60 per hour online. And we're starting right now. Alright, guys, we're here at a website called textbroker.com, right? And what this website is it's a website that people actually can buy content. They can buy articles that other people write, right? And so not only can you purchase content from the site for your websites and blogs and content, you can actually get paid for writing content for other people. So let's just go and check out this site. So I cover over here on write content, and I just show you how it works. So basically what happens is you would sign up for this site, you would register for free, you would submit a writing sample, and that's going to give you a rating. So when you submit your writing sample, you definitely want to make that your very best work, because from that writing sample they're going to rate you, and the rating depends on how much they pay you per word, right? And we'll go through that in a second. Then you just create your author profile, and then you can actually start writing and getting paid for your content. So if any of you guys are writers out there, you can definitely go in here and start making some money, and I'm going to give you an idea of how much you can make. And even if you don't write, I'm also going to give you another idea of what you can possibly do. So basically what happens is there are a bunch of open orders within the site. People come in here and there's thousands of projects that people are basically placing, and then you as the writer can basically go in there and accept jobs and do the writing depending on your quality level, right? So that's why that rating is important. There's also, like, the clients can actually directly just send business to you, and then there's groups that you can join in which you can also get business as well, right? So basically when you look at like how much you get paid, basically they pay you per word, and it depends on like your quality rating here. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you get a 5-star, because that's going to pay you 5 cents a word. Now I hear you already saying, oh, 5 cents a word, that's nothing. But let's check this out, guys. Let me pull out my trusty calculator, and let's just say that somebody wants a 1,000-word article, and then you times that by 5 cents. That is $50, right? So could you do a 1,000-word article twice a day? Could you make $100 a day writing articles? I think you could. So again, really all you need to do is maybe on that first writing sample is you need to focus on making sure that that first article is quality, so that you can get that 5 cents a word. And then basically, you're off into the races, and you can start accepting jobs and going out here and getting jobs and getting paid for it. Now, I also looked at, like for people that may not write very well, or they don't know how to write very well, I looked over at, SEO Clerks, which is kind of an outsourcing website, and I typed in article marketing, and I just saw this right here, 1,000-word articles for sale for $6. Professional support, warranty, and quality. So you can go through here. People will write 500, 1,000 words for just a couple of bucks, guys. SEO'd articles. You can go in here and buy a couple of these samples, or buy a couple articles, and just kind of see the quality, because you probably could just really outsource the actual work, pay a couple bucks for it, these 1,000-word articles, so you get paid like $50 for it, and then you pay $3 or $4 to get it created here with SEO Clerks. Now, is this legit? Like, do you think that this is actually legit? I wouldn't try to set you guys up. So what I did was I went over to the Better Business Bureau to make sure that this was a legit paying company. This company has been around for 10 years, guys, and they have a A+ with the Better Business Bureau. This is a legit company that's been around for 10 years and has been paying people. And then when you look at their complaints, I think they've had like 5 complaints in 10 years. Totally legit site. So if you are a writer, there's no reason why you can't use your skill set to start creating some income. Yes, it's going to take a little bit of your time, but it's not going to take you but maybe an hour to write 1,000, a 1,500 word article, and you can make $50, $60, $70 doing this, on a consistent daily basis. The next website I wanted to check out, you guys to check out, is this website called User Testing. Now, this website basically pays you to basically test out different websites and applications that companies have started. So companies will basically sign up with this website, and they will basically want individuals to test out their user interfaces, look at their products, look at the website, look at the payment processes, every little thing within their website to try to improve the quality. And so what this website does is it pays you $10 per test to visit a website and complete small tasks while speaking out your thoughts out loud. So what happens is when you sign up for this website, they actually have you download a recorder, and it records your screen while you're actually doing the assignments. So you get paid via PayPal for 20 minutes of work, and you actually record your screen while you're actually going through the website side application, and you're completing the task, and whatever you're thinking, you're just kind of saying it out loud as you record your screen, and then you submit that information to them, and you get paid $10. So it takes 20 minutes per test. There's no reason why you couldn't do 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 of these a day. It doesn't take very long, so it only takes maybe a couple hours out of your time, and you can easily pull in $60 an hour doing this, because it's not that difficult to do, right? I also checked out User Testing on the Better Business Bureau, and it has a B+ rating, guys, so it's all good. 2 good websites. The third website I wanted to show you guys is just, I've gone through this, once before, but I wanted to just show it again. Like, there's a huge demand for just services, right? So again, if you can write articles, if you can do graphics, if you can do banners, people are paying good money to just get stuff done. I just typed in the Fiverr like articles, and I mean, these people are charging 100, 120, 150, 250, 125. Like, people are charging $200, $550 for like work, articles, blog posts, and you could be doing that. So if you have any type of skill set, strongly consider getting on Fiverr, getting on Upwork, and hustling, guys, because you can actually make really good money doing this kind of stuff. So this is John for JohnMcNeil.com. I wanted to show you this quick video on how you can actually, put in a little bit of work and bring out $60 per hour. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.